Taiwan, a place known for its vibrant street food, stunning temples, super friendly locals, and apparently missile drills. So there we were, just chilling in our hotel room when suddenly all our phones started going off. It wasn't a text from mom, or it wasn't a weather warning. Nope, it was a missile drill alert. Just minutes ago, the streets were packed with people, and then, like magic, everyone disappeared. Shops closed, cars stopped, and not a soul in sight. It was surreal. But don't worry, it was all part of a routine national defense drill. And honestly, it gave us a glimpse into how prepared Taiwan really is. The trip was full of surprises, some delicious, some little tense, but all unforgettable. So next time you're in Taiwan and you get the missile alert, stay indoors and keep off the streets. CNN placed it in their website as air raid drills across Taiwan as island practices for a war with China. It hopes will never come. So stay indoors.